In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create project dashboard in Google Sheets. We're building a simple, adaptable setup you can reuse for a thesis, treasurer duties, or a video production schedule. It has two parts, a task manager where you log work and a progress tracker that summarizes everything automatically. Start by creating two tabs in your Google Sheet. Name the first one Data. This will be your task manager. In row 1, create these headers from left to right: task description, category must push, project, priority, due date, and status. Underneath, this is where you'll log every task. Keep task description brief but specific. Use category sort project to group related work, and enter due date as an actual date so sorting and reminders work properly. To keep entries consistent, set drop-downs for priority and status. Select the priority column, go to Insert, then drop down, add options like high, medium, and low. Do the same for the status column, adding not started, in progress, and done. Using drop-downs prevents typos and ensures your dashboard reads the data correctly. As you add tasks, keep one task per row. If you already have a small list, enter it now so the dashboard has data to summarize. Next, create your dashboard, add a new tab, and name it Dashboard. In column A, list the metrics you want to see: total tasks completed, project velocity, and high priority open. In column B, we'll calculate each value so the dashboard updates itself whenever you change the data tab. For total tasks, click the cell next to it and type equals counter data A2A. This counts every task with a description. For completed, use eSubCountif data E2E done, which totals everything marked done in the status column. For project velocity, divide completed by total tasks using a B3, B2, then format as a percentage. If you prefer a cleaner look when there's no data yet, you can wrap it with iFerra, but the simple division works once you've logged tasks. For high priority open, use =countifs data C2C high data E2E done. That shows how many high priority items are not yet finished. That's it. Log your work on the Data tab, keep priority and status consistent with the drop-downs, and let the Dashboard tab do the math. As you add or update tasks, your totals, completion rate, and high priority workload update automatically, giving you a clear, at-a-glance project overview you can trust.